Kansas Attorney General is about to make waves by suing the Biden administration. Fox 43 reporter Alyssa Storm joins us here in the studio with more on Kris Kobach's reaction to recent local and national events. Alyssa?
Yeah, Jacob, that's right. Kansas Attorney General Kris Kobach answered our questions on many subjects today, from chickens to President Trump. In the next couple of days, Kansas Attorney General Kris Kobach says he, along with Texas and Oklahoma, plan to sue the Biden administration. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service recently listed lesser prairie chickens as an endangered species. Kobach disagrees. In an interview with 27 News, he blamed drought conditions for the bird's population decline, saying the same thing happened in 2012, but once rain returned, the population nearly doubled. The Endangered Species Act not only restricts drilling in western Kansas, but also requires ranchers to get governmental approval to graze their cattle. Kobach says this is an imposition on Kansans' rights.
If they wanted to change where they're going to graze the cattle, they'd have to get Mother May I special permission from the government to do that. It's a huge imposition on the property rights of Kansas ranchers.
He also spoke on former President Trump's recent indictment. Kobach calls this case flimsy, saying he'll be surprised if it makes it all the way to a jury.
This groundbreaking first ever indictment of a president is over a very flimsy misdemeanor like that, which will probably collapse on scrutiny. If you're going to do this, you ought to have something really airtight and really serious to take this kind of action against a former president.
Kobach also addressed the recent legislation regarding transgender athletes. Today, the House and Senate overrode Governor Kelly's veto, and a law banning transgender athletes from competing against girls and women will now take effect this summer. Kobach, in favor of this ban, says it just makes sense.
I think any reasonable person would say, this is girls' sports, only girls can compete. If you have the advantages of being born a male, you either compete in boys' sports or you compete in something else, but don't make girls' sports unfair.
Kobach says he's very confident in his office's ability to defend this law in court against any challenges. Alyssa Storm, Fox 43 News.